In this video, we are going to show you how to create a beautiful wedding invitation card using MS Word. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Go to Margin, select Narrow Margin. Go to Design, select Border Style and also select Color. Then OK. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Text Box, drag it. Go to Symbols, select 12 Akruti, select and insert it. Go to Home tab, increase font size. Go to Format, go to Shape Fill, select No Fill. Shape Outline, make it No Outline. Select Color from Text Fill, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Go to Rotate, select Rotate Right 90 degree. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Text Box, drag it. Go to Shape Fill, select No Fill. Shape Outline, make it No Outline. Go to Home tab, change the font, increase font size and center your content. Write together with their families and select and change the font color. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Increase font size. Write bride and groom names here. And also change the font color. Go to Format, then Align Center. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Select and delete. Go to Home tab, change the font size and add some quote about wedding here. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Line, drag it like this. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, increase width size, click on Gradient Line, select Preset Gradient and change the color one by one. Also select Direction. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate. Duplicate this text box. Go to Home tab, change the color. Also change the font and increase size. Write wedding day and date here. Select both lines from selection pane and duplicate it using Ctrl Shift. Duplicate the text box. Go to Home tab, change the font size also. Duplicate the text box, change the font and size also. Add your wedding destination here. Duplicate it and write reception to follow here. Now go back to Insert, click on Shape, select this shape, drag it like this, go to Shape Fill, select Color, Shape Outline, make it No Outline. So, see friends how quickly we created a beautiful wedding card in MS Word. So, if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next video. Thank you.